9 Acres RV here in Moncton, coming at you with a very, very fresh arrival. It got here last night, a 2013 Cedar Creek. Oh yeah, we're into Cedar Creek. Silverback 37RL is the model number. Cedar Creek, folks, if you don't know, this is all aluminum construction, plywood roof, plywood floors. Absolutely fantastic build. I can't wait to take a look at that woodwork inside. The walls are 2-inch thick, more insulation than most. We got a fiberglass cap up front. For 2013, it is faded a bit. That doesn't look that bad. Power awning, outside speakers. Let's take a look at this construction I'm talking about. Aluminum, plywood. I like it. Let's go in. All right, walking into the Cedar Creek. Folks, I just looked at the sticker for the dry weight. You're looking at 10,863 pounds dry. Wowzers, look at the wood. Look at the condition. Folks, I do want to tell you, we have not cleaned this whatsoever. This is the way it came in on trade. It looks fabulous. All right, we got 4 chairs and a table. Those chairs do have storage. See, that table does extend. Large windows throughout. Nice recliners. You know what? That leather is in good shape. Well, no, that's not leather, I don't think. But they're looking good. That sofa out back, that turns into a bed. Beautiful ceilings. More windows. Look at this wood. That is the real deal. All right, we got a fireplace. That does throw out some heat on those chilly nights. A TV. Look at the storage. We got a pantry up here on the side. But this is a Cedar Creek, folks. They're built different. Take a look at this. None of that cheap stuff. We got ourselves a RV fridge. So this works on propane and electricity. Let's take a look inside. It's nice and clean. Freezer. I'm going to pause because somebody's looking for me. Let's go get them. Okay, back on track. Luke had a question for me. Yes, solid surface countertops. That looks like granite. We got 60/40 sink. Residential style faucet. That is not an easy bake oven. It's a little bit bigger. 3-burner stove. Microwave. Storage right here in this center island. Wow. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. I could stay in this living room all day. So you walk in, you got your controls, storage area. Let's take a look at the bathroom. Of course, it's the Cedar Creek, folks, so that does come with a ceramic toilet. Got a medicine cabinet. Nice sink. Oh, boop. There we go. Shower with a skylight. Oh, that is a fantastic fan. Beautiful, beautiful wood. I love Cedar Creeks. Absolutely. All right, master bedroom up next. Looking good. So take a look at this mattress. That is definitely an upgrade. And by the looks of things, so this is a Camp Queen bed. But look at the room on both sides. If you want to go king, you could go king. Personally, I like this size. Gives just a nice room on both sides. We got opposing windows in this slide out for great cross ventilation. Nice dresser. Again with the wood, we got another TV over here. Nice vaulted ceilings, fan. All right, let's take a look at the front cap. A closet. And some more storage right here. Oh, I see we got power connections. Great spot there for some t-shirts and whatnot. Absolutely awesome, folks. I like it. 2013. And it does not show to be a 2013. Definitely looks newer. Beautiful, solid build. Come on down to 80 Commerce Street in Moncton. Check it out for yourself. See you soon. If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.